Embalmers are both artists and scientists, providing an essential service in funeral care by sanitizing, preserving, and restoring the deceased to a natural, lifelike appearance. It's a delicate and highly skilled process. Continue watching to explore the detailed world of embalming. Preparing the body. Ensure the body is face up to prevent blood pooling in the face, which can cause discoloration and swelling. Remove all clothing and medical devices to allow full access to the skin for monitoring embalming effectiveness. Disinfect body openings, wash with germicidal soap, and apply disinfectant to wounds. Assess and mix embalming fluid, typically 16 ounces with 2 gallons of water. Shave the body to enhance makeup application, unless facial hair was part of the person's identity. Massage the body to relieve rigor mortis and loosen stiff joints, aiding in preparation and presentation. Setting the features. Close the eyes. Use great care in setting the eyes. Place an eye cap on each eye to set the eyelids in place. Close and set the mouth naturally using one of 2 methods. Mandible suture, sew the mouth shut by passing a curved needle through the jaw and septum. Use dentures, a mouth former, or cotton to shape the mouth, then tie the suture. Needle injector, used with a mouth form to align the jaw and create a natural bite, reducing the chance of error. Moisturize the features. Apply a small amount of massage cream to the face and hands to keep the skin soft and pliable. Embalming the arteries. Locate the carotid or femoral artery. Inject embalming fluid while draining blood from a nearby vein or the heart. About 2 gallons of fluid are needed for a typical body. Make your incision. Clean the vein point off, create an entrance point, and insert the drain tube towards the heart. Tie a ligature around the lower side of the tube. Turn on the embalming machine to distribute fluid. Wash the body with germicidal soap, check for drainage, and massage the limbs to aid fluid flow and blood removal. Reduce the pressure, then reverse the arterial tube to embalm the previously blocked area. Since the fluid has a short distance to travel, keep the pressure low. When embalming is complete or fluid runs out, turn off the machine, remove the cannula, tie off the vessels, and suture the incisions. Apply sealing powder or putty to prevent leakage. Embalming the cavity. Use a trocar to remove fluids and gases from the organs after arterial embalming. Insert the trocar 2 inches right and above the navel to aspirate the stomach, pancreas, and small intestine. Reinsert the trocar to suction the large intestine, bladder, and uterus if present. Pack the anus and vagina with cotton to prevent leakage. Attach a 16-ounce bottle of cavity fluid and use gravity injection to sterilize and preserve internal organs. Casketing the body. Wash the body thoroughly. Using the same disinfectant used earlier, clean the body thoroughly to remove any blood or other chemicals left behind by the embalming process. Use delicacy and care in this process. Touch up the features. Lifelike makeup will be applied to the face and hands, the fingernails will be clipped, and the hair should be styled and groomed. Dress the body. Generally, the deceased's family will choose the clothes to be worn in the casket. Dress the body carefully and appropriately. Place the body in the casket. Arrange the body peacefully. Consult the family for any advice or further instructions regarding the presentation. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.